So yeah, I got this humidifier off the TikTok shop, and it also has the aromatherapy. And I had a coupon, so I only paid $20 for it. You can't even beat that. But this is all the stuff that it offers: a humidity sensor, aromatherapy, automatic shut off, and digital display. See, it's showing backwards for me, but I still read that right. But yeah. So if you're a person that's always sick all the time and you need to clear out your room, get you one of these. And then you can also add your favorite scent so your room can be smelling good. So I'm going to link this below. So y'all just go click on this shopping cart and get y'all one.